That's our Ferrari talk. So just been working here in the office. We have a special guest that pulled up. Krishna just came from Dallas. He brought the Rari. If you guys can see that little red car in the parking lot.
No one drives a Ferrari to all the way from Dallas to Houston except for me. No.
But we're literally just sitting here and these guys randomly decided, let's go to Florida.
You guys randomly decided.
So we're about to book our flights to Florida, do some stuff out there. So we'll see what we get into. But I mean, this is the life of hanging around guys who just make money. This guy's got too much money. Chris, are you excited to go to Florida?
Oh, I'm not going to Florida, dude. You guys are crazy.
What do you think about that, Trevor?
Up to this guy in Florida.
Alright, so we're traveling to the airport with the luggage here. Alright, let's make a move.
This will get us there soon. We're a little late.
Friggin' ripping to the airport. So we're cutting it pretty close here on our flight. So we gotta get on the move, but we're bringing the Rari to the airport.
We're making it over there. Fast and Furious style.
To Florida, huh?
Unfortunately. Well, we tried to get out of this one, but we're on our way to the airport now.
No, there's no getting out of it.
Dude, first class was cheap.
How much
Paid
was
100
it?
extra bucks.
That's not bad.
No, I'm
100
just
extra.
200.
Oh, that's not bad either. But yeah, this is what happens when you roll around with guys that have too much money. We're just in the office working, and this guy's like, "Oh, let's go to Florida." I'm like, "Bro, what the heck?" Just booking a Florida with leaving within an hour after we got the idea. So we're going to see our boy.
Try and do them consistently and quickly.
Of course. That's the #1 rule of money. You gotta move with speed. One thing about you, Chris, is you move with speed.
Well, I think that's just because I'm like autistic. Like I just make decisions quick, but like I've made bad decisions doing that too. Don't let them trick you.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you'd rather take imperfect action than just sit there and do nothing.
That's
exactly.
true. I know guys who are taking no action for years.
Yep. Exactly. Because
they don't got a Rari.
Because at least if you make a bad decision, you still learned from it and you took action. So that's our Ferrari talk on the way to airport. Move with speed. Bro, what the heck is going on over here?
Another 30 grand. By the way, this is a good month. Usually it's a lot. 31, 47. It's friggin' bad.
All right, so we just arrived to the airport. We have like 10 minutes to get there before the flight starts boarding, so we gotta start moving with speed here. We just arrived here in Florida, got Logan.
But you always try to catch me off guard.
What's the plan?
The plan is you guys want to get food.
It's the only way to catch you.
And then we're gonna probably go out and get some things going.
We got the big deal back in the vlogs.
Always.
All right, so we just touched down in Fort Lauderdale, so we're about to go grab some dinner. This guy said he wasn't coming to Florida. The heck's going on over here? All right, so today we've just been doing some shopping around. Logan went on a yacht, and right now we're about to go out. Where are we going out?
We're going to the place of these guys' dreams.
Trevor.
Where are we going?
I mean, I don't know. We got dragged out here by Krishna.
Bro, what you mean?
It is 11:25 at night and there's traffic. We can't even pull out of here.
I mean, this is ridiculous.
Yeah,
I'm used to just locking in, working at the office all day, but we come over here to Florida. Now we're on this guy Logan's schedule. Guy's an absolute night crawler.
Monster. Absolute monster.
4 nights a week.
So now we're up until 1 a.m. We're half asleep.
Later than that,
Bro, that's just the start.
I know, at 1 a.m. we're ready to go to bed. Normally we're in bed by like 10, 11. I mean, this guy's ready to go another 3-4 hours. Absolute night. I mean, I've never seen anything like this.
I mean, bro, it is really a sport out here.
It's a zoo out here in Miami, so
No, it's a zoo in Fort Lauderdale. Miami's well put together.
No, Miami's a freaking zoo.
No, trust
also.
me, bro. It's not a zoo, bro. Girls are coming out in nice dresses, nice and short. Like, bro, they're dressed up. The guys are dressed up.
Short.
I mean, short enough. I'll tell you what.
All right, so we're about to.
Who's that guy that was laughing about me scheming on the chicks in Malibu? That guy's. Oh, this guy's back in it. This guy's back at it.
we're gonna head over to Miami, go to Club Gecko, and we'll see what we get into.
What's he doing? This guy's always selling, bro. We're out here on a nice beach in the morning, and this guy can't stop from closing
Can't
deals.
help it.
I mean, it's in his blood.
Bro, Christian, what happened last night? We don't speak about it on camera.
But it's not that bad. This guy just gets a little awkward on camera with our camera for some reason.
Bad news is that you are most likely gonna be stuck with me.
Oh, he hit him with the line. He hit him with the line.
Bad news, you are gonna be stuck with me. Good news is that you're stuck with me.
One of the more important things, especially since you guys had seen the seal.
Both are Malika. What's going on here, John?
Closing a deal here.
Bro, look at the time here. It's 1 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon.
Hey, Miss Patty, so they're gonna need to send you over one more text message. Let me know if you just got that right there.
What's going on here, John?
Just close a nice little deal, or grabbing brunch on Sunday. A little, don't show the information, but
Yeah.
this is how much we just made sitting here. Where's the calculator at? Just sitting here at lunch,
Bro,
show the
look-
view.
Yeah, and we got a nice view here. Logan Krishna getting some work done. Always a good Sunday when the Lord blesses.
Of course, nice little easy win on a Sunday morning. All right, Trevor, you ready to head down to Miami?
Bro, I am not going to Miami.
Bro, get a video of this guy right now saying this, and then cut to when he's in the car with us going to Miami.
I mean, it'd have to be a deal I couldn't refuse, but that's just not going to happen. He's coming to Miami.
Oh, he's coming to Miami.
Because remember, guys, it's not about where you're going, it's about where you're heading. And Trevor knows exactly where we're heading, so he's going to stick with the brothers.
Also, he's a loyal, smart guy. I think he realizes it's not about where you're going, it's about who you're with. And I know he wants to spend time with courses.
Bro, it's not about where you're rowing to, it's about the people on the boat.
Bro, I'm not going to Miami again. I'm done. I'm out. No, but like, I don't want to go tour apartments in Miami, bro. I don't want to just go down there in general.
Bro, probably just get down there and chill for real.
Yeah.
Hit the beach.
Bro, you should spend some time with us. That's all we're
Bro,
asking.
you can spend time with me
Bro,
right over there.
That's all we want. We just want you to spend some time with us.
Oh, bro, I want you guys to spend time with me, bro. That's just not going to happen. I see how it is.